This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to view the dividend calendar on Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, knowing how to access the dividend calendar can be a valuable tool in managing your investments. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device. Once you have the app open, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your username and password handy. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're entering them correctly to avoid any login issues. Now that you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a menu bar there. Tap on the Markets option. This section is really the heart of the app, where you can access a wealth of information about stocks, trends, and more. Once you're in the Markets section, you'll want to navigate to the Dividend Calendar section. This is where you'll find all the upcoming dividend payment information, which is crucial for those interested in dividends. Next, you'll want to search for the stock you're interested in. Use the search bar to type in the name or symbol of the stock you want to check out. If you're not sure of the exact name or symbol, you can usually find these online or through your brokerage account. Once you start typing, you should see a list of results appear. After you've found the stock you're interested in, tap to select it from the list of results. This will bring up detailed information about the stock, including its dividend schedule. Now, take a moment to view the upcoming dividend payment dates and schedule. The dividend calendar will show you when the company is expected to pay out dividends, which is great for planning your investment strategy. Understanding when dividends are paid can help you make informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the dividend calendar on Moomoo and can now view all the details for the stocks you're interested in. By keeping an eye on dividend schedules, you can better manage your portfolio and make strategic investment choices. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Moomoo and other investment platforms. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy investing!